Hello, greetings mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers natin out there from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And sa lahat po ng ating mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers na nakatutok po ngayon sa ating online telescope viewing of the sun worldwide and netwide, magandang araw po. So this is your ka-Sky Watcher, Sir Jun Cahigal, and at the moment, we are observing the sun. Alright, so I took this opportunity to observe the sun live and alive. So today is April 24. Siguro magna-9 na ho ng umaga. At ayoko din po magtagal dito dahil sobra po ang init. Pero I'm so amazed and I'm so fascinated kasi ang daming sunspots. Wow! Everybody kindly take a look dito po. Ayan, oh. Ang daming sunspots. Wow! Alright. And dito pa, oh. Ang dami. Alright. Fascinating indeed. Ayan, no? So it has been a while na hindi ko din na-observe yung sun, pero wow, ang daming sunspots. By the way, no, sa mga nakatutok po sa atin, a sunspot is actually a magnetic storm emanating in the sun's photosphere. Ang nakikita nyo ngayon po sa ating image ay yung photosphere ng sun. The photosphere is the visible surface of the sun. Ayan po ito, I'm focusing itong large group of sunspots na nakikita po natin ngayon. Ang dami. So again, sa mga nakatutok po sa atin, a sunspot is a magnetic storm. Alright, emanating from the sun's photosphere. Ang sunspot po is a cooler region of the sun. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na cooler, malamig doon, no? The sunspots are still hot. No? Kaya lang mas malamig siya konti compared to the surrounding photosphere. Alright. Ayan, so I think mga 9 na ho ngayon na umaga. Ayan, hindi rin tayo masyado magtatagal dito na sobrang init. And I would like to thank yung mga nag-decide na suspend ng face-to-face classes at talagang we will expect the heat index to increase in a few hours. Ayan, no? Alright, so that's our sun. So comment down below po mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating solar imaging this morning of April 24. And again, happy Global Astronomy Month po sa ating lahat. Alright, ito po, no? So, later, just stand by. I'll be posting close-up images of the sunspots na nakikita po natin ngayon. Kasi ito ho lang yung limit ng aking camera. Hindi ko na siya ma-magnify. Alright, so just comment down below, no? So, there. Ayan. So, shout out sa mga tatlong ka-Sky Watchers na nanonood ngayon. So, my telescope is equipped with a solar filter, no, that will allow me to observe the sun safely. But again, mga ka-Sky Watchers, never look at the sun directly without proper equipment and proper protection. Kahit po yung shades, hindi pa yung, that's not an assurance po. Talagang kailangan ng proper solar filter. Okay, ayan po, no? So, yan po yung ating group of sunspots ngayong araw na ito. And this will continue buong linggo. Yan. Okay, so comment down below mga ka-Sky Watchers kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating solar imaging ngayong araw. Alright, so we are broadcasting here from the streets of Las Piñas. Ayan po. Kaya medyo maingay po. Ayan, so ito po yung mga sunspot groups, no? Ang dami nila. And again, these sunspots are even bigger than our planet. Ayan po, no? So malalaki po itong mga sunspots na to. Yan, so baba pa natin yung image para mas makita natin. Yan, yung ibang nandito. Ang dami. Alright, so again mga ka-sky watchers, never look at the sun directly. Again, I am using a Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope equipped with a solar filter. Ayan, so that I can observe the sun safely. Ayan, no? Okay, so shout out sa tatlong sky watchers na nanonood po sa ating live broadcast online telescope viewing of our sun. Again, today is April 24, 2024. Uy, April 24, 2024. That's a good date. Ayan, no? Oh, ang ganda ng date ngayon. 4/24 2024. How do you like that? So just comment down below. So today is 4/24/2024. Bog, galing Alright. Okay, so if you have any questions about our solar imaging, just comment down below. Hey, what are you planning for? Ayan, ang daming sunspots. Fascinating. So, are you not fascinated, mga ka-sky watchers? Ayan, mag-comment lang po kayo. And again, sa mga katututok lang, no, sunspots are magnetic storms. These are cooler regions of the sun, emanating from the photosphere. But again, pag sinabi kong cooler regions, they are a little cooler than the surrounding photosphere. Pero hindi ibig sabihin malamig yan. Mainit pa rin po yan. And these sunspots are even bigger than our planet. Ayan. Alright. And again, mga ka-sky watchers, no, never look at the sun directly. Yan, wag tayong gumaya kay Galileo. Actually, it was Galileo who first observed these sunspots. No, kaya lang walang protection yung kanyang telescope, so nasira yung retina niya. Yan, so he got blinded. Ayan, so pinapokus ko lang ko dito sa baba dahil dito yung maraming sunspots talaga. Ayan, no? Malalaki pa yan. Alright, so marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood ng ating online telescope viewing of the sun. Later tonight, I'll try to focus my telescope on the moon ulit. Just like what I did last night. Alright, so marami pong salamat, and please don't forget to follow this online telescope viewing, and pakishare na rin po. Malaking tulong po sa amin yan so that we can reach more people. We don't see this every day, no? Ilan lang po sa amin na may solar filter, yung mga kasamahan ko, mga astronomy enthusiasts. So, nakakamangha talaga na marami tayong makikitang sunspots with proper equipment, no, na magagamit natin. So please like and share, no, para makita ng maraming tao, no, ang mga sunspots na to. Alright. Okay, so if you have any questions, just comment down below. Yan, don't forget to like and share. Okay po, so maraming salamat. This is your Kaskay Watcher and Kaspacer, Sir Jun Cahigal, saying live long and prosper. And always remember to always keep your space and always keep looking up. But for the sun, you need protection. You need a solar filter. Don't look at the sun directly. Ayan. Okay, so again, shoutout po sa lahat ng mga tumutok po ngayon. Shoutout po sa aking mga volunteers from the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. You know who you are. Marami pong salamat. And we'll be back sa May. Ayan, sa ating mga activities for the month of May. Alright, so happy Global Astronomy Month po sa atin. April pa rin tayo. We are still celebrating Global Astronomy Month 2024. Maraming salamat po at natutusta na po ako dito sa labas. Thank you so much. And let's stay hydrated. Tataas pa ho ang heat index in a few hours. So let's stay hydrated, mga Kaskay Watchers, and just stay at home. Yan, no? So maraming pong salamat. Bye-bye!